Rayburn NCC Senior Wing, please stand next to Senior Division. Rayburn Senior Division. Your wing. Please take your position. Second row. Senior Wing NCC Rayburn, please stand next to the Senior Division, followed by Junior. Rayburn NCC Senior Division, please move up, followed by Rayburn NCC Junior Wing. Chuchampur NCC First Platoon, please start the other side of the row, followed by the second platoon. Bethany NCC, please take your position next to Chuchampur NCC second platoon. JNV NCC, please come and stand in the second row next to Bethany NCC. Rankai High School, Rankai Secondary School, please start the third row. Rankai High Secondary School boys, followed by girls, please start the third row. JNV boys, please stand next to Rankai girls. JNV boys.
We don't get first. Okay. What is the case of yours?
शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनी वन्दे मातरम्।
RSP is on his way. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the 76th Republic Day celebration. IPS, SP of Churachandpur now will receive salute from the contingents.
Parade! General salute! Salutations! Parade! Wagon! Parade! Vishnu! Next.
RDC has arrived, chief guest of today's Republic Day celebration. Sri Darun Kumar S, IAS, Deputy Commissioner of Churachandpur, will now receive salute from the contingents.
Parade! General salute! Salutations!
Now Parade Commando will invite our chief guest for the inspection of the contingents.
जय हिंद सर 76 रिपब्लिक डे परेड आपके इंस्पेक्शन के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
motorin na fit dengan oh. Inspection lalai.
The first contingent we have is the 157 Battalion CRPF. Next we have the 129 Battalion CRPF. Next we have IRB first platoon, followed by the second platoon of IRB. Then here we have the third platoon of IRB. And next we have the IRB and MR combined contingent. And next we have the ex-servicemen contingent. And lastly we have the civil policemen contingent. Our judges for today are Sri Pakar Pandey IPS, SDPO Churachandpur, Sri Paukan Bung Samte MPS, Assistant Commander 1st IRB, Sri Thango Leng Khongsai, BOSDC, DC's office. Sorry, it's Paukan 1 Samte. Now our chief guest will unfurl our national flag. And he'll be assisted by Inspector G. Zamkalal Kipkian.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Let's all be seated, please.
चीफ गेस्ट इनको खेल देंगे
अनुमति प्रदान करें श्रीमान।
Judges, please take your seats. Sri Prakar Pandey. Our parade commander of today's 76th Republic Day celebration is Sri Kunal Utamshrote, IPS. He is from the IPS batch of 2021 of Manipur cadre. The first contingent we have is the 157 Battalion CRPF, commanded by SI Akhilesh Yadav. And next we have the 129 Battalion CRPF, commanded by Inspector Om Prakash. And here we have IRB 1st Platoon, commanded by SI Martin Mazahau Singson. first platoon of IRBs followed by the second platoon commanded by ASI Pautingham Naulak. And here we have the third platoon of IRB commanded by SI S. Lalson Waipe. And here we have the IRB and MR combined platoon commanded by ASI Christopher Laldin Thara. Next we have the ex-serviceman contingent commanded by Honorary Captain G. Nanglian Moy and flag bearer Honorary Subedar Major Din Kien Kham. Ex-serviceman contingent is followed by the civil policeman contingent commanded by SI Howlin Sang Sing Son. And here we have the civil policewomen contingent commanded by SI Luan Nehoy. And here we have the Rayburn NCC Senior Division commanded by Junior Under Officer Thangin Mang Kong Sai and Junior Under Officer Pao Min Loon Do Thang. Rayburn NCC Senior Division is followed by Rayburn NCC Senior Wing commanded by Junior Under Officer Nem Nei Neng Hau Kip and Sergeant Ting Lian Moy. Here we have the first platoon of Churuchampur College NCC Senior Wing commanded by Junior Under Officer Roslyn Alpar Moy and Junior Under Officer Rachel Chong Hoi Siam. And here we have the second platoon of Churuchampur College NCC Senior Wing commanded by Sergeant Ning Wan Cheng and Junior Under Officer Ching Wan Nyang. And this is the Churuchampur second platoon NCC. Next we have Patni Christian College NCC Junior Wing commanded by Corporal Christina Chingwan Kim and Lance Corporal Hanni Kim. And here we have JNV NCC mixed contingent commanded by Sergeant Muan Swan Pao and Sergeant K. Lalmin Thanga. And here we have Rankai Higher Secondary Government School contingent, boys contingent commanded by Jeffrey Laldi Tom and flag bearer Lal Sanso. And this is the girls contingent of Rankai Higher Secondary School commanded by Marina Hartneiga and flag bearer Melody Hartney Boy. And here we have the boys contingent of JNB Tuinom commanded by Kham Thien Se Haukip and flag bearer Led Zapao. JNV Tuinom boys contingent is followed by the girls contingent commanded by Ving Mary Dongel and flag bearer Santina Chingdei Kim. And here we have the boys contingent of Vimala Raina High School commanded by Bobby Lalsang Lun and flag bearer Thang Lal Song. And here we have the last contingent, girls contingent of Vimala Raina High School, commanded by Thang Dei Cheng and flag bearer Jushna Dev. At the meantime, JNV Cultural Troupe, please be ready. JNV Cultural Troupe, please get yourself ready.
Present by the
Now I would like to call on our chief guest, Sri Arun Kumar S., Deputy Commissioner of Churachandpur, to address the gathering, please.
Damzelmo, Nadamunam, Idamo, Vanakkam and Namaskar. Honorable guests, respected officers, my dear colleagues, and the wonderful citizens of Churachandpur. It gives me immense pride and honor to stand before you today as we celebrate our 76th Republic Day. This day is a celebration of our democracy, our constitution, and collective will of the people of India. It is a reminder of the sacrifices made by our countless individuals who dream for a free, united, inclusive nation. A nation where every citizen, regardless of their background, could live with dignity, peace, and equality. Republic Day is a culmination of a collective journey as a nation. A journey that began with unwavering resolve of our freedom fighters, shaped by the visionaries like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Patel ji, our Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, and so many others who gave us a constitution that unites the diverse land of culture, language, and tradition. It is this spirit of unity in diversity that defines India and drives us forward. Today, as your Deputy Commissioner, I feel incredibly grateful and privileged to serve this vibrant district. It is not just a role, but a big responsibility. A responsibility to ensure well-being of every citizen, to foster the development and uphold the principles of our Constitution. This past year has been filled with lot of challenges and also achievements. And I would like to take a moment to reflect on some of the accomplishments we did as a district and we have achieved together. I was humbled and honored to receive the Best Electoral Practices Award in Delhi yesterday. This recognition by Election Commission and President of India is not just mine, but it belongs to every member of my team who worked tirelessly to strengthen the democracy in the grassroots level. Every single booth level officer who was engaged in the election, every single polling officer who was there, every single security person deployed, everyone deserves a part to be in this award. The success of our voter awareness campaigns, the seamless execution of the electoral process, and the active participation of our citizens, this shapes the future and gives a testament of our collective dedication. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to every officer, staff member, volunteer who contributed to this achievement. Together we demonstrated that teamwork with sincerity and shared vision, nothing is impossible. However, as we celebrate our success, let us not rest in our laurels. Let us use these milestones as a stepping stone for greater achievements. I urge all my fellow officers and staff members to take inspiration from the ideals of the Republic Day and renew our commitment for public service. Each one of us play a very vital role in the development of our district, from improving education, healthcare, ensuring law and order, empowering farmers, fostering entrepreneurship. Every effort counts in building a stronger Churachandpur and by extension a stronger India. Over the past year, our district has faced unprecedented trials. The fragile law and order situation shaken our communities, displacement of our families, and struggle to maintain the law and order have tested our resolve as a public servant and as a citizen also. These experiences have left an indelible mark in my heart. Yet amid this darkness, I also have witnessed extraordinary courage and humanity. I have seen neighbors, despite their differences, extending a helping hand. I have seen our security forces work tirelessly even in one of the most difficult locations, often risking their own lives also. This moment, I have to tell that our relief workers, officers and volunteers, they dedicated themselves to provide food, shelter and hope for those in need. I empathize with the public in the relief camp and I promise you that I and my team will do the best of our abilities to help you in the days ahead. Towards the end, till say District Administration Churachandpur, we have been taking care of camps in one of the most difficult circumstances. It is not easy to even get a kilo of onion transported for say 100 relief camps in a easy phase. Yet we are able to supply more than 78,000 bags of rice. Each bag will be about 50 kg. We have done 17,000 dal, potato around 4,800, onion 5,000. We have done so much amid all the difficulty. I want to really thank my relief officers and CSOs and volunteers who are involved in this thing. Relief is something which touches humanity. It is not a regular office work. And every single thing that is done, I expect all my officers to do more and better. The district administration has also facilitated more than 2,100 displaced students. Either they are from Manipur University, Dhanamandjari University, nursing, pharmacy, engineering, NIT, any college. We have been the only hope possible. We have conducted more than 20 examinations for children inside our office also. We have helped our medical students also. While we try to continue and pursue to enable an environment to help the children who are affected. Either it is BA, BSc, BPSc, BCom, BTech, LLB, LLM, MA, MSc, MCom, all the semester exams have been completed successfully. Currently, the district is also facilitating the conduct of LLB whole semester exams of DMO on 17 January and it will continue till 4th February. I also want to thank ZDO Churachandpur. She has worked very hard to help the displaced students, ensuring they receive the necessary resources in very short time. The office has already distributed more textbooks to more than 200 children. They have distributed shoes for more than 3,000 children. And ADC also have come forward and they are taking care of all the children in their schools. I will also take this opportunity to congratulate our CMO Churachandpur, and she has done a lot of hard work that the district has been able to get #1 rank, considered the best in FPLIMS management system. This is also achieved by the dedicated staff identifying hand-holding CHC, PHC and ASHA workers. The dedication of our CMO is evident in this case. And I also want to thank SDO Churachandpur, especially BDO Lamka South. They have achieved the first in the zone and they have also saturated all the 6 Sampurnanand Abhiyan ka criteria that was given. This is, in this trying circumstance, the effort they have put is remarkable. To the youth of Churachandpur, you are the torch bearers. I urge the younger generation to dream big, work hard and embrace the spirit of innovation and entrepreneurship. This small town is not going to be end of your game. You should think big and think wide. There are a lot of opportunities when you go forward. And take pride in our cultural heritage and shared inheritance also. To show our commitment to the youth, on 7th January, our Honorable Governor has inaugurated a IT center with 200 nodes, and the district administration is trying very hard to ensure that the online examinations happens in that location also. I also wish to share that district is one in the spirit with the 10-year celebration of our Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program, a centrally sponsored scheme which has seen immense success in reducing the sex ratio and raising awareness of gender equality and ending the gender discrimination. I urge the citizens of Churachandpur to give equal opportunities to our daughters so that they can be empowered and educated to fulfill their dreams. As a district, let's create an environment where every child has access to quality education, every farmer has his tools and support they need, and every entrepreneur has an opportunity to thrive. To my fellow officers, let me say this, you are the backbone of our administration. The way you have handled all through the crisis, the compassion you have shown all through, the integrity you have performing your duty even in the difficult times, this is the strength of our governance. In a democracy, if a governance fails, the democracy fails. The faith of a democracy for general public lives in the offices of every government office. How the governance functions, the belief of every citizen on our democracy grows. Let us continue to lead by example, putting the needs of the people above everything else. To our security forces, your dedication in maintaining peace and law and order is commendable. Your courage inspires all of us. As you perform your duties, know that the nation stands with you, grateful for all your sacrifices. To the citizens of the district, especially those affected by law and order, I pledge that we will do our best to maintain public service delivery. Our diversity should not be our weakness. Our diversity should be our strength. Let us reject any hatred and division and choose a path of dialogue and understanding and unity. This is not easy journey, but this is one we must undertake together. Let us remind ourselves of the words of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He was the architect of our constitution. However good a constitution may be, if those who are implementing it are not good, then it will prove to be bad. However bad a constitution may be, if those implementing it are good, it will always prove good. It is the spirit of unity, resilience and compassion that truly embodies our ideals of republic. It reminds us that strength of the nation lies not just in its wealth, power, but it's in its value. We have to uphold and bond and connect with the people. It is up to us, each one of us, to uphold the principle of justice, liberty and equality and fraternity. These are not just words that are engraved in our constitution. They are foundation of our republic and the roadmap for our future. I have travelled all across the district in the last few months. I take responsibility to ensure that my district level officers work to their optimum. I expect support and cooperation from the general public in ensuring that public service delivery are not stopped at any point of time. One delay by officer can affect thousands of lives. It will affect a lot of people. It is very important for us to understand the importance of the government institutions. We should expect them to perform to the optimum. At the same time, we should enable them to perform at the optimum level. Before I conclude, I want to emphasize the importance of leadership. This is a time of where the strength and resilience of a leader in ensuring the service is done is very important. People need the help of government servants more today than before. It is very important that leadership skills of every single officer in this district comes forward and they do their work to the optimum. It is very, very important at this point of time. Every one of you who are with me today are the leaders in your own task. Ensure you lead by example and create an environment where more such leaders come and inspire us. I would like to reiterate my gratitude to all the district level officers again and staff members who have worked with dedication and commitment over the past year. Your efforts are not going to be unnoticed. I am confident that together we can overcome any challenge that comes our way. Let us pledge to continue, thrive for excellence, not just as an individual but as a collective force in dedicated service to our people. As we unfurl the tricolor today, let it remind us of the values it represents, the sacrifice, courage and hope. Let us inspire us to rise above all our difference and work together for a brighter future. In conclusion, I want to urge all one of you to reflect on how you can contribute to this vision. Whether through small acts of kindness, by educating the next generation or building bridges of trust in your own communities, every effort counts. Together we can overcome any challenge. Together we can build a district, a nation that we are proud to call as our home. On this Republic Day, let us renew our pledge to uphold all the values of our constitution, to work towards inclusive development of our district and contribute to the development of our great nation. Kipaye. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for the 76th Republic Day message. And on behalf of everyone here, I'd like to congratulate you on receiving a prestigious award in Delhi from Her Excellency the President of India. Now we'll move on to the performance from JNV to Inom. If you're ready. Oh, before that, we'd like to hand over the time to our parade commander to disperse the contingents, please. Thank you, JNV, for that wonderful performance. Now we'll move on to the first group of distribution of awards. Meantime, I'd like to request HSA Renkai unit to get yourselves ready. And to give away the awards, I'd like to call on our chief guest, Sri Darun Kumar S. To Sri V. Sridhar, IAS, SDO, BDO, Singat. Commendation certificate awarded to Sri Prakar Pandey IPS SDPO Churachandpur. And next we have the commendation award to the SP of Churachandpur, Sri Sheikh Mohammed Zaid Zakir IPS. Next, the district administration is pleased to award appreciation certificate to the following government employees, government institutions in recognition of their outstanding and valuable public services to Churachandpur district on the occasion of the 76th Republic Day celebration on 26 January 2025. First, I'd like to call on Sri Saimin Than Lenthang MCS. Sri Michael Paul Haukip, please be on standby. Followed by Sri Thuam Khan Mong, Sri Thuam Khan Mong, followed by Sri Tham Khalun Haukip, Sri Tham Khalun Haukip, Sri Lun Min Len Tau Thang, Sri Lun Min Len Tau Thang LDC SDO Heng Lep, next Sri Pao Min Lian, Computer Assistant SDO Churachandpur, Pao Min Lian, S. Pao Min Lian, followed by Srimati Ngai Nun Kluang, Lecturer, Rengka High Secondary School, Ngai Nun Kluang, Lecturer, Chemistry, Srimati Levon Dorothy Kom, Science Graduate Teacher, Kairap Bible High School, Srimati Ningai Vong, Hindi Graduate Teacher, Churachandpur High Secondary School, Ningai Vong, Srimati Carolyn Kim Naiting, Principal in Charge, GNM School of Nursing, Churachandpur. Sri Firoz Khan, Multipurpose Health Worker. Srimati V. Chin Biak Sang. Dr. M.G. Sianboy Pai Pei. Dr. Chin Chan Ding Tombing, MD Pediatrician. Dr. P. Hagin Tungdim, Orthopedician. Next we have Dr. Hagin Tungdim, followed by Srimati Niamkhan Ching, Staff Nurse. Then next Srimati Ngainei Hoi, Staff Nurse. Sri Lungan Lung Chaibong Paumei, Protection Officer, District Child Protection Unit. Srimati Dimling Singh Sit, Senior Accounts Assistant, Treasury Office. Lungang Lung is absent. Dimling Singh Sit. J. Lalthang Se, J. Lalthang Se. Sri D.L. Robert Haukip. Sri J. Lalthang Se, followed by D.L. Robert Haukip, then Sri Lun Khomang Haukip. Lun Khomang Haukip. Son Lim Chingnei Them Mate. Son Lim Chingnei Them Mate. Sri Lian Zachin Tangpo. Lian Zachin Tangpo. Srimati L.U.D. Srimati Phalnei Ling Kipgen. Srimati L. Phalnei Ling Kipgen, Child Development Project Officer, ICDS Tibung Project. Sri Joseph L. Zote, Child Development Project Officer, ICDS Hingle Project.
Bon.
Sri K. John Zoding Liana, Accountant, Public Works Department. T. Sumlin Chungkom. Sumlin Chungkom. Lun Khomang Haukip. Wait. Sri T. Sumlin Chungkom, Peon, Public Works Department. Sri Lun Khomang Haukip, Range Forest Officer. Srimati Nemsavung, Junior Accountant, Forest Department. Srimati Lalrempui, Assistant Project Officer, DRDA. Sri Levon Anthony, Com Office Assistant, DRDA. Srimati Nemsavai Hauke, Peon, DRDA. Srimati Tinglei Hing Khongsai, Deputy General Manager, MSPDSCL. Sri Athang Kom, Athang Kom, Leading Fireman, Manipur Fire Services. Dr. Siamkhum Guite, Principal, Chuchampur College. Athang Kom, Dr. Siamkhum Guite, Sri Gaulian Siam, Assistant Professor. Associate Professor. Yes, Associate Professor. Assistant, okay. Next, Srimati Ringzo Sam Singson, Assistant Professor Anthropology, Chuchampur College. Sri Stephen Remnalal, Assistant Professor Geography, Chuchampur College. Jessica, Director, SBI RCT, Chuchampur. Sri Wilson Infimate, Photographer, DIO, DIPR. Sri S. Paul. Sri H. Paukathang, Inspector of Schools, ADC Chuchampur. Sri Paukathang. Okay. Sri Thanghaulin Mate, Revenue Collector, ADC Chuchampur. Sri Thanghaulin Mate, Sri Lalun Tluanga, Headmaster, Thenmul JB School. Sri Lalun Tluanga. Shri Muhammad Nasiruddin, Senior Accountant, ADC. Shri Sangkhum, Peon, DC's office. Shri Thangsakam, Peon, DRDA. Shri Thangmin Lun Gamte, driver, DC's office. Shri Hanglam Sang, driver, DC's escort.
Come on.
Hanglam Sang. That is Shri Thangsakam Peon, followed by Thangmin Lun Gangte. Thangmin Lun Gangte, driver. Followed by Hanglam Sang. Then H. Khubzading. Khubzading, driver, DC's escort. Shri Joseph Huplen Won, driver, DC's escort. Thank you, sir. That will be all. Thank you, ladies. Now we'd like to call on the HSA Renkai unit for the bamboo dance. More young women dressed in colorful and elaborate costumes come out with striking pastels and perform this dance form. The dance is reflective of their traditional lives, that is women's traditional responsibility of paddy pounding and weaving.
Siêu siêu
Thank you, HSA Renka unit, for the beautiful and lively performance. District Administration is pleased to award Expectation Certificate to the following members of the State Police, IRB, in recognition of the outstanding and valuable public services to Churachandpur District. And to do us the honors, I'd like to call on our SP of Churachandpur, Sri Sheikh Mohammed Zaid Zakir, IPS. First, I'd like to call on Sri Augustine J. Kongsai, MPS. C. Next, SI Thangmin Boy Vaipe. And as I call out your names, please stand in front of the dais. Dais ma ko na ding leo chun mo. ASI Pautin Kham Naulak, M Chin Lian Mang, M Zam Lian Thang Zo, Henry Thang Min Lun Samte, Zam Khogin Mate, Kham Min Lun, J Zam Shuan Mong, Lian Khan Lam, Lewang Thang Khan Siam Ngaite, Lungin Sei Kip Gen, Benjamin Damwan Sang, S Paulal Mon Vaipe, Zam Kholal, Lal Thang Lian, Eldrin Sum Kholin, Neng Zaling Tau Thang, Lun Komang Kip Gen, M House Wan Lal, El Lal Nun Lun Nei Lian Vaipe, Nian Hat Ching, Let Min Thang Hau Kip, M Siam Wan Lal, Ngul Kho Thang, John Te Gin Bag Len Nei Sel, Johnson Kom, Mohammed Itemcha, Lal Thang Kholin Hau Kip, Abdul Ghaffar, T. Dolal Van, Pauchin Muan. And to receive on behalf of all those who are standing in front here, I'd like to call on Sri Pau Khan Mong, additional SP, to receive on their behalf. Next, I'll call for the IRB. Where I call out, please come and stand. Naminu kong sabdok IRB te kha tua ki ting te to bang khana ma hung ting leu chun o. Sri S Tejen Singh, Thang Son Lian Tung Dim, Hen Min Nun Tau Thang, Nekolal Gang Te, Mohammed Said Ahmed, Zam Swan Lian, Mohammed Hefauzin, Y Leibak Chau Singh, T Pum Zalian, L Thang Kolek Khong Sai, V Vung Zathang, David Kamlun Thang Zo, Sri Nekozang Kip Gen, Nem Zalam Kip Gen, Kamzagin Vaipe, T Let Khog, Zam Son Lian Paite, Ngam Khohau Mate, and Khai Biak Lian. And to receive on behalf of all those I've called out, I'd like to call on Sri Se Mang Khong Sai, Deputy Commandant of 1st IRB. Okay, thank you. Those here stand still, can you please wait? Then I'd like to call SI Vishal Sonkar to receive on behalf of CRPF 58 Battalion. And to receive on behalf of ITBP, I'd like to call on Sri Pankaj Kapri. And to receive on behalf of 105 RAF, I'd like to call on Deputy Commandant Sri SH Sanjeev. And to receive for B12 BSF, Inspector Nitin Kumar. And to receive for 5th Battalion and 167 Battalion BSF, I'd like to call on Head Constable Naleshwar Rava. Thank you, sir. That will be all. Thank you. Now we'll have the presentation of medals. Police Medal for Meritorious Service. And to give away these two medals, I'd like to call on Sri Mankogin IPS, IGP. Sri L. Seimang Kongsai, MPS. Sri Khaute Khangzalal Vaipe. Thank you, sir. Now we'll move on to the next group of awards, that is Appreciation Certificate to the four individuals, teams, organizations under the Special Award category in recognition of the outstanding and valuable public services to Churachandpur district. I'd like to call on Srimati Man Nomching, IAS. Medical Officer, Doctors for You. Okay. Next, Master Ronald Dongul. Master Ronald Dongul, Class 10. Who won in the painting competition during the observation of Road Safety Week. He is from Gandhi Memorial High School. Next we have Master Sego Gin Lunglim class 10, who also won in the painting competition during the observation of Road Safety Week from GM High School. Next we have Srimati Chinelam Gangte, OC, Women Police. For BBBP champion. Next we have HYA ambulance team. HYA ambulance team. The next MS InnovateView India Private Limited for the technical support to the district administration, and on their behalf, Sir Thamboy Gangte will receive. Sinlung Royal Riders. Sinlung Royal Riders, followed by Amy Riders Manipur. Sinlung Royal Riders, followed by Amy Riders Manipur. Zotal Royal Riders. Zotal Royal Riders. Zo Motorcycle Club. Paul's Motorcycles. Paul's Motorcycles. Thank you, ma'am. That will be all. Now, before we give away the award prizes for the parade and other prizes, I'd like to call on Muan Hang Zo to present us the song Desh Mere.
देश मेरे तेरे शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरे धूल से भर के तेरे धूप से रोशन तेरे हवा पे जिंदा तू भाग्य है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ दीवाने की शहबोर सुहानी देखी एक रोज़ वही मेरी शाम हो कभी याद करे सो जमाना माटी पे मर मिट जाना शिकर में शामिल मेरा नाम हो ओ देश मेरे तेरे शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरे धूल से भर के तेरे धूप से रोशन तेरे हवा पे जिंदा तू भाग्य है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने, रेशम का हो मधुशाला या हुक्म सिपाही वाला, ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू बोले। ओ देश मेरे तेरे शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या, तेरे धूल से भर के, तेरे धूप से रोशन, तेरे हवा पे जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Mon Hamzal, for that beautiful song, and we apologize for that technical hitch we had. Now we'll move on to the last group of awards. And for that, I'd like to request all the parade contingent commanders, flag bearers, please come towards the dais as fast as you can, please. Parade commander, pilots, flag unfurling in charge, parade marshalling team, buglers, drummers, and all the contingents. NCC and school contingents, please come. NCC contingents and school contingents. School pilot. Pilots, flag unfurling in charge, parade marshalling team, buglers, drummers, please come. So to give away the next group of awards, now we'd like to announce the winners of the NCC category and the school category. I'll announce from the third position. In the third position, we have JNV NCC Junior mixed division, mixed contingent. And the second place, we have Churchandpur College NCC Senior Wing, second platoon. So in the first place in the NCC category, we have in the first position Bethany College NCC Junior Wing. Next we have in the school category. Third position goes to Rankai Government High Secondary School Girls Contingent. Second position goes to JNV Twinom Boys. And in the meantime, I'd like to request everyone in standing in front of the dais not to leave before the closing vote of thanks. Next we have in the first position JNV Twinom Girls. HSA JNV Cultural Troupe 1 Hangzhou, please be on standby. Next I call on HSA Rankai Unit. HSA Rankai Unit. No sir. Followed by JNV Cultural Troupe. JNV Cultural Troupe. Muan Hangzhou. And next we have the consolation for the NCC and school categories. Rayburn NCC Senior Division. Followed by Rayburn NCC Senior Wing. Followed by Rayburn NCC Junior Wing. Next to Chandpur College Senior Wing First Platoon. Sisipur College First Platoon. Rankai High Secondary School Boys. Rankai, please come forward. Vimala Raina High School Boys, followed by girls. Girls. Daryu thank you so much. Girls and boys, please you remain here. Please do not move. Now we'd like to close the program with a vote of thanks. And for that I call on Sir Semin Thang Lenthang, MCS Additional DC.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, friends from the media and fellow citizens, on behalf of the district administration, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for making our 76th Republic Day celebration a resounding success. We are deeply grateful to our respected chief guests Sri Dharun Kumar S, Deputy Commissioner Churachandpur, for gracing this occasion with his presence and inspiring us with his words and vision. Today's celebration showcased vibrant performances, mesmerizing cultural shows, patriotic songs from different talented artists and cultural troupes. We are thankful to them all for their delightful performances. The parade contingent, led by our parade commander, Sri Kunal Uttam Sote, IPS, was a magnificent display of discipline and pride. The parade also featured impressive contingents from our esteemed forces, including District Police, Indian Reserve Battalion, CRPF, NCC Boys and Girls contingents, ex-servicemen, and other schools and colleges. We are grateful for their participation and dedication. It was truly a delight. I also take this opportunity to congratulate all the awardees of today's Republic Day celebration and exhort all the awardees to continue to excel and work harder so that our district achieve greater heights in the future. Our gratitude also goes to District Police, security personnel for ensuring security and smooth conduct of the event. We are deeply grateful to all the district level officers and their dedicated staffs who were actively engaged in preparation of the venue and to make the event a grand success. Last but not the least, I would like also to thank the civil society organizations, the chiefs, religious leaders, philanthropic organizations who have come to grace the celebration, and also our media friends for coverage of the whole program. Let us continue to strive for the ideals of justice, liberty, equality, fraternity enshrined in our constitution. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for closing our program with a vote of thanks. So with that, we come to the end of our program. Thank you everyone for attending today's Republic Day celebration. Thank you everyone. Have a good day. Thank you.